kids, welcome back! In this video, we went to the California State Fair. We watched a thrilling show. It was the Jack in the Box Freestyle Motocross. It was really an exciting show, and that's why we want to share it with you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Number 3 down in the lagoon for the boys. Obviously, we're all suffering from one of the worst droughts in Looks like the boys are feeling it.
They even picked 3 people from the audience to have a fun race. Cool, right? The winner got $25.
Your first night up out of Wheeling, California. You guys for Fox in Roseville, Honda. Put your hands together for the local boy, Jesse Joseph. Next up, coming out of San Clemente, California, he rides for Rockstar in the Metal Militia. Put your hands together for Mr. Derek Garland! Last but definitely not least, coming down from Reno, Nevada, riding for Bell Ray and Fox Racing. He's got 2 X-Games medals, one of them in summer, one of them in winter. Put your hands together for Dustin Miller! Remember the Joseph coming back through, whipping out the Joseph sticking the Garland whipping out the double the Shaolin bar hop sitting down over the front fender. Garland stretching out his heart attack. These guys actually have to cut those holes into the side of their bikes. Makes those ground things possible. Oh my God, the Superman! Completely floating above the bike. Jolson throwing out a little no-hand up. Hanging on with nothing but the tippy toes. They're working the ladder going see. They call it a combo when you throw 2 shoots in that one jump. Jolson coming out with the super can. Garland throwing the Honda sideways once again, going the other way without it. Sidewinder. What do you think so far, Sacramento? Jolson twisted up that double grab. Garland coming up the backside, the double match. One of the pioneers of freestyle motocross. Jolson coming through with the Paris tilted. Of the KOD, the kiss of death. Miller with the holy grab.
I wouldn't do that.
Come on, Sacramento, you gotta keep them pumped up. Jolson pushing up that Indian air. Garland coming through with the rock solid. For Jesse Joseph, Derek Garland, and Dustin Miller. guys want a couple more? I think we got to get louder than that. Who wants the backflip? That's what we're talking about. Remember, right when the boys are done, they're going to be hanging out, signing autographs. It'll all take place under that Jack late night music. Well, as a coupon for a free Coca-Cola and your local Jack in the Box. And pick up those official TNT trucker hats. Last supplies last. Jolson coming back through, headed for the takeoff. Stepping it up with the no-handed flip. As well, 225-foot gap right here in the middle of the California State Fair. Joseph throwing on the captain. Garland coming through with the KOT Indy. And wonderful finish whips in the base.
I thought this show was pretty awesome. What do you guys think? You can tell us in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed the Freestyle Motocross Show. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.